In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gamma I watermark in PowerPoint 2026, step by step. If you've exported a presentation from Gamma and noticed a watermark or extra branding on your PowerPoint file, the official and most reliable way to remove it is by upgrading your plan inside Gamma. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what to look for, and share a few quick tips so your next export comes out clean. First, open your browser and go to Gamma's website. Then sign in to your account. Once you're in, head straight to your account settings. You'll typically find this by clicking your profile photo or initials in the top right corner, then selecting Settings or Account. This is where all your account level controls live, including billing and plan options. Inside your settings, look for the Upgrade or Pricing option and click it. This takes you to Gamma's plan page. Here, choose a paid plan that matches your needs. Paid plans are designed to remove the Gamma watermark and other branding elements from your exported files, and they also lift some limitations you may run into on a free plan. Review the plan details so you're confident it includes watermark-free exports to PowerPoint, and pick monthly or annual billing based on your preference. Complete the checkout to activate your upgrade. After your plan is active, go back to your presentation. You can either create a new one or open the existing deck you want to use without the watermark. Now export again. Look for the export or download option in Gamma and choose PowerPoint as your format. Because your account is now on a paid plan, the new export should be free of the Gamma watermark and extra branding. If you previously downloaded a copy before upgrading, you'll need to export a fresh file. Upgrading won't retroactively change an old download. A quick way to confirm is to open the new .pptx and check the corners and footer area on a few slides. If you don't see the upgrade or pricing button, you might be in a workspace where billing is managed by an admin. Switch to the correct workspace or contact the owner. If the watermark still appears after upgrading, try signing out and back in, refreshing the presentation, and exporting again to ensure your new plan is fully applied. Also make sure you're logged into the workspace that actually holds the upgraded subscription. That's it. Go to Settings, click Upgrade or Pricing, choose a paid plan, and then re-export your presentation. Paid plans remove the watermark, strip extra branding, and ease a few limitations so your PowerPoint files look polished and ready to share.